Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to set up your Google Home device for seamless voice control. Let's dive into the setup process to ensure you get the most out of your smart assistant. Step 1. Unbox your Google Home. Begin by unboxing your Google Home device. Inside the box, you should find the Google Home unit, a power cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure you have everything ready before proceeding to the next steps. Step 2. Position your Google Home. Choose a suitable location for your Google Home. Ideally, it should be placed in a central area of your home for optimal voice recognition. Ensure it is near a power outlet since it requires constant power to operate. Step 3. Connect to power. Plug the power adapter into your Google Home and then into a wall outlet. Wait for the device to boot up. You will hear a sound and see lights indicating that it is ready for setup. Step 4. Download the Google Home app. If you haven't already, download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. This app is essential for setting up and managing your Google Home device. Step 5. Sign into your Google account. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have one, you will need to create a new account. Step 6. Set up a new device. Once signed in, tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the app. Select Setup Device and then choose New Device. The app will prompt you to select your home. If this is your first Google Home setup, you can create a new home. Step 7. Connect to your Google Home. The app will search for nearby devices. Once your Google Home is detected, select it from the list. You will hear a sound from the device, confirming it is the correct one. Step 8. Configure your Wi-Fi. Next, you will be prompted to connect your Google Home to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Wait for the connection to be established. Step 9. Customize your settings. Now it's time to customize your Google Home settings. You can choose your preferred language, set up voice recognition for personalized responses, and link any compatible smart home devices. Follow the prompts within the app to complete these configurations. Step 10. Explore voice commands. Once your setup is complete, it's time to explore the voice commands. Ask your Google Home to play music, control your smart devices, provide weather updates, and much more. Test various commands to see the extent of its capabilities. Final thoughts. With these steps, you should have successfully set up your Google Home device and be ready to enjoy its features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.